Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install presets in Evoto AI. If you don't have Evoto yet, go ahead and download it. It's free to download, it's free to use. You buy credit bundles for your export, so any images that you edit that you'd like to take out of Evoto, you just pay credits for those. Cheap as chips, really, really cheap. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up some images. How about these ones? When you first open up the Evoto, a gallery in Evoto, over here on your left, this little triangle is your presets. You hit plus, import presets, presets token, and here you kind of paste in your Evoto preset code. It will look something like this, and you hit the import button. The presets will come in with this showcase showing you the LSP mono presets. You get 3 included. These are completely free. These do not have skin included at all. You can find the main LSP preset packs over on the LSP Actions website, and they do have skin included in just a click. So let's go for the LSP mono. You have 3 inside. You have a light black and white, a dark black and white, and a portrait black and white. All you literally do is click the preset and it's done. Before and after. Let's try it on a different image. I'm going to go portrait for this one. So you can try one and then you can go, I've gone for a little bit of a darker one there. You can also slide the intensity if you want to on these. I'm on a very light background image here, so I'm going to go for light black and white. And there we go. Just a click. All the settings are done for you. Really, really pretty. Nice image here on my screen by Charlie at Click Props. Before and after. Let's go for a lovely Christmas image. It's shot here by Henrietta Gomez. And you can sync these across your gallery. Before and after, done. Really, really easy, really, really simple. A great introduction if you're not used to using Evoto is to use these presets. If you do use Evoto, then you know how amazing this program is. So I hope this helps you up your black and white game. Enjoy! I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.